Hi guys, welcome to Total Technik. In today's video we're going to be showing you the location of your yaw sensor. This is for the Audi A6, S6 and RS6. This is the C5 platform, either the Avant or the Saloon. Now if you've worked on Audi models before, then the yaw sensor is going to be located either somewhere where you absolutely knew it would be, or somewhere you would never ever guess where it would be. So let's take a look. Now believe it or not, on the Audi C5 platform, the yaw sensor is conveniently located just where you thought it would be, underneath the rear seat bench. Take a look.